In this video, we're going to show how you can link your Timesheet Mobile account to your QuickBooks Desktop account. We've logged into a sample Timesheet Mobile account here, and you can see there are no employees or customers that exist. So we're going to go to the QuickBooks location and follow the steps for a QuickBooks Desktop integration. Optionally, in another video, we'll show how you can link to your QuickBooks Online account. So the first step is to open your QuickBooks Desktop application. So that's open. Next step, we're going to install the QuickBooks Web Connector by clicking this button. This will download it. Click on the download. When this opens, you're going to see a authorized new web service notification here, and it shows the path of your Timesheet Mobile account. You're going to say OK to this message, giving them secure access to your Timesheet Mobile account. The next certificate that's going to pop up is going to ask you how often you want to synchronize your QuickBooks Desktop account to Timesheet Mobile. So there's a few options here. What we recommend is that you say yes whenever QuickBooks company file is open. You'll be able to synchronize any data. So you only need to change your data, your employees, customers in your QuickBooks Desktop account, and that'll automatically synchronize the Timesheet Mobile. You don't need to do it in two places. So we'll click yes whenever QuickBooks company file is open. Continue. This is just a verification. The next step we'll have to take, go to step 3 here. Actually, we've already done these. Step 4 is we're going to check the box on the QuickBooks Web Connector. We're going to enter our password and then click Update Selected. So we'll go back to QuickBooks Web Connector. We're going to check this box. We're going to enter our password. This is the same password used for your Timesheet Mobile account that was emailed to you. And now we're going to click, we want to save this, yes. Update selected. And at this point it's going to import all our employees, customers, and items to Timesheet Mobile account. The first time you run this, it can take some time, especially if you have a lot of employees and customers. In this account we've got roughly a few hundred customers and maybe about 30 employees. So that completed successfully. Now if we go back to our Timesheet Mobile account and refresh the browser, we see that now we have 19 employees, 398 jobs. We've got tasks and service items loaded, and we're just about ready to go. So the last step, next step we're going to take here is we're going to go into our employees and check their mobile phones are all set up. If you have any employees without mobile phone numbers listed here, you're going to need to add that to their QuickBooks information. This is mandatory for them to use the Timesheet Mobile smartphone app or the dial-up IVR system. So if you go to back to your QuickBooks and click on an employee here, under address and contact, you'll see a field called mobile phone number. You'll need to have the mobile phone number entered here. And now if we go back to the web connector, we can check this off and click Update Selected. Now this is going to update any changes that were made since the last time it synchronized Timesheet Mobile to your QuickBooks Desktop account. Now if we go back to this employee, you can see that the phone number has been populated. So for customers and jobs, you can go in and see all your customers and jobs that were imported in here. If you're doing billable hours that you want to invoice the end customer, you can set up a service item for a customer. Double clicking on here, and here all your service items have been loaded in. For tasks and services, these are tasks that employees can select, identifying what specific tasks they're doing during the shift. These have all automatically been loaded in, and you can also assign a class code from your QuickBooks, and these would have been imported as well. So once all your employees are loaded and you have mobile phone numbers for each of these employees, and you have your payroll items and service items and classes all assigned, you're ready to start using this. And you only need to make updates to your QuickBooks Desktop in the future, and those will automatically be imported and synchronized to your Timesheet Mobile account. As you have employees that come and go, you can add them to your QuickBooks Desktop or inactivate them, likewise for customers and jobs.